and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City.
La Femme. This one is casting Sharon Jones.
Now you guys excuse me. Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Percy.
Yeah, man.
Put that.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hi,
My name is Percy Oseibusu.
I'm Estelle.
Estelle. I don't recall seeing you around. Are you a fresher?
No, I'm on an exchange program from Unilag. You know, University of Lagos?
Yeah, of course. And how long have you on campus?
3 months.
3 months and I've not seen you. Okay.
See how the girl they laugh. Oh, baby. I'm touched.
I hope you don't mind. I mean, you're a pretty baby and I want to be a pal, you know?
No problem.
Okay, so you just give me your number and I'll just give you a bag, right?
024
Yeah.
375932.
Charlie, as much as I don't want to admit it, 5 minutes, 7 no catch. You kill him. You be melt.
Say, it be say, Percy be done. Say, him be the done.
Estelle, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I'll definitely get in touch, okay? All right.
Hey.
Okay, see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye, you bye.
This one be fast track.
Yeah, man.
What? Charlie, no. Full we in. What did you score, bro?
Numbers have been exchanged. Call once, twice, thrice, and you know the rules,
Charlie, you guys, I beg you for wait for me. I left my phone.
I beg you, make you come to the bank. We just
We're coming for Tyke and I. Hurry up. What? It is a knowledge I get, Can I see you? A woman. You are such a beautiful woman. Sorry, actually a lovely young lady.
Thank you very much.
I want to be your friend. Actually, if you don't mind.
No problem.
Oh, I see. And actually, where are you going?
Yeah, Santua Hall.
Can I volunteer to see you?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Come in. Oh, hi.
Hello. I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
No, not at all. Please come in. Come and sit by me here.
So, Estelle, you said you are on an exchange program.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is something wrong?
No, you mean you've been on campus all this while?
Yes.
And we haven't met before?
No. What are you driving at?
Oh, nothing serious. Actually, I was just wondering how such a beautiful young lady like you could be working this campus for more than 2 months without my noticing.
You have me worried.
Please, let's drink beer. Please, cheers. I'll buy more.
The light licks the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City.
So how have you been?
A little steady, you know.
You're always studying, eh?
That is why we are here for.
Well, I guess you're right. Can I offer you anything?
Next cafe will do.
Okay, let me get it.
Thank you, my girl.
You're welcome. Do you like it?
Really? Taste and your favorite.
Charlie, you have to get here real quick.
Hey, bad deal. What's up?
You see the baby we were talking to this morning?
Yeah, what about it?
Charlie, Uzi, Godfrey Ayango. He didn't handle him for a year bad.
You know, good president.
So he tell me. Charlie, this is very serious. You have to get here in the next 20 minutes, else you must as well forget about it.
Alright. Yeah, good. We don't come. We don't know here.
Hurry.
Kwejo, do you know what I like most about you?
No, tell me.
You're so calm and gentle, eh? Can I have it?
Have it? What?
I mean the cup. You're finished.
Sorry, yes. That's my girl.
Who's there? Yes?
I'm looking for a young woman by name Chocho.
Yes, you're speaking to her.
I'm Kojo Amponse's uncle. I went to visit him and there's a note at the door that he will be here.
Yeah, actually he is. Kwejo, your uncle is here to see you.
Uncle Joseph. Uncle Yaraka.
Thank you. I hope I'm not intruding.
No. Actually, I'm not.
So,
It's okay.
but Uncle Joseph, the consummate gentleman. You meet Miss Chuchu Ai.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Chuchu, my mother's brother, Uncle Joe.
Oh, no wonder you guys look so much alike.
You're a brave woman.
Thank you so much.
I would like to take care of my uncle.
Yeah,
And,
of course.
I'll be back before you know. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
See you, bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you. Wow.
So how is academic work?
Oh, plentiful but manageable. By the grace of God. Manageable, yes.
Everybody says hello. Your mother gave me some fufu and a crunchy soup to be given to you.
Oh, Mom.
And you carry it all the way here.
And this is from your father.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you so very much.
And take very good care of yourself.
I will. You know I will, Uncle.
Already I know you are doing so nicely.
I don't understand.
That pretty lady, who is she?
Oh, she's a friend. Her father is a lecturer. The father teaches here. She's a friend, yes.
I hope you are taking very good care of her.
I'm trying, Uncle. I'm trying.
Anyway, I think I have to leave now.
Oh, then let me keep this somewhere and I'll see you off. So I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, then
Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe.
Charlie. Bro. So, what you go do? Huh?
That's one cool things, man. I just for excuse Excel small and make OZ did it until that kingdom come. Then we will sneak away to some cozy ad, see what's up.
Hell no! The way I see things, that girl will put your head.
I agree with you, man. Look, I've been watching them for some time now, and it looks as if Uzi has gone too far for that.
So, what do you suggest he does, huh? You don't expect him to stand there and what Uzi handle the babe like that? I mean, how?
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
You may enter.
Good afternoon, my brother.
How may I, Timothy Jebele, help you in my precious abode?
May I keep this here while I see a visitor off? I will come for it in a minute's time.
No problem at all. I'm going out to catch some little knowledge, but Ayengo is around, so I won't keep the door locked.
Why may I keep it then? Anyway, thank you very much.
It is a pleasure.
Please, I'll buy more. I'll buy more.
I think I have a plan. We all know Ayengo has a wife, right?
Right. You lie bad. I bet the babe doesn't even know.
And we all know how much he fears his wife, right?
You don't expect me to...
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I get the drift. Oh, yeah. Get down, get down.
But guys, don't you think it would be a bit unfair?
All is fair in love and in war. Yes. Sure. I get it. Look, it's a beautiful idea, man. It'd be the best idea. You boys are good. You boys are smart. I like that. I like it.
So, what be the plan?
So we don't know where we laugh. Oh, come on for there. Did they laugh? You know, they laugh.
Okay. So, we ready to get down to work or what?
Sure, why not?
Come on, guys, Charlie.
I can't do that. You don't have to do anything. I, John Boiler, aka Shaka, the Zulu, will help you out. Check this out.
What am I see?
You know what I mean? Check it out.
Come by,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What is it?
Ayango. I am sorry, but your wife.
What? My wife?
Is looking for you.
What kind of disrespect is this? Oh, what? You guys don't respect her. Quiet to Ojondo you. What do you mean? What?
Your own wife is looking for you to this one with disrespect. Somebody told her that you are here with a woman. So if I were you, I'll quickly go and stop her before she comes here and create a scene. You know what she can do. A word to the wise is enough. Good luck. Ayango. I like you, man. Your wife.
You be the man, man.
Well, I guess the coast is clear.
But how you guys? You've taken away the impetus, you know?
Yeah,
You
right.
should have allowed me to do it in my own style.
Yeah, right.
But let's look at it this way. Shaka just did the man a favor, isn't it? Yeah. How? Yeah. He already has 6 children he's striving to take care of. Look, 6 children? Yes, no, he's a man, man.
Press
The man.
the dog.
Charlie for something.
I want to know, Charlie. Let's go make the dog.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Where is she? Fufu. And soup. Fufu and akrantie. What? Minimum bobo. More bobo heavy. More boy heavy boo. Wana. And this akrantie, are they male or female akrantie? Eh, but you know, be love for oh, This is a surprise. More call 4 people. Bringing me fufu and akrantie soup. I think this is what she should be doing instead of coming here to harass my life all the time. This is what she should be doing. But where is she? Where is she? Has she left already? Moko. She won't go down. She won't go until she sees me. Or maybe she asks another surprise package for me. Mire, my yeni susuma adumonse. Mire, I can tell you about feeling wa. Never feel yeah. Go and stand. Not touch her. This I can't. I will touch her then. Okay. You come here. You see your face. Stand by. 5 more. Line up.
Hey, what's going on in the yard?
Don't you have eyes to see? My wife has brought me food. If you want to join me, come and join me and stop this water gun. I can see you haven't eaten.
Is your mind turned upside down that you don't know about eating what does not belong to your family?
This sounds insulting. But I'm a good father, so I've forgiven you. Come and eat.
You are crazy.
Excuse me, the lady I was with, do you know where she went?
She left in a hurry soon after you left.
Which direction? Thank you.
Yes, come in. Oh.
Oh no!
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark